Wait, why do cats sneeze? Are they just being cute? Or are they allergic to themselves? Nope. It's actually a super fast defensive reflex to clean their amazing noses. Cats have almost 200 million scent receptors. That's 40 times more than you. When tiny bits of dust or annoying particles get stuck, it irritates their super sensitive nose. Their brain sends a powder alert and tells their muscles to compress. And then, hachi, they launch that dust right out with an epic sneeze. So, it's not magic. It's just high-speed cleaning to keep their smell super sharp. And that's the real reason you ask.